So, Himeno, what are your thoughts on your two rookie
Shut
hunters?
your mouth!
Well, what I lacks in ability, he makes up for in motivation.
Come on!
Meanwhile, Kobeni's got the moves, but she's extremely timid. Will those four survive to see another day, or should we call the corner?
Doesn't matter if I think a beginner's strong or weak. Most end up dead or go private after a year.
Keep eyes open at all times.
Boy, you sure dodged that question.
For you too, Power.
You best not die on me, Aki.
You lack maturity.
Himeno, allow me to introduce your new partner. He's rude, but I trained him to be of some use. Try and play nice. Name's Aki. How goes?
You're actually useful?
Yeah. Sure.
Though I'm your first, you're my sixth partner. Everyone else is gone. All dead because they were utterly useless. You best not die on me, Aki.